Wasps. These little guys in these nests are super annoying. If you have a 3D printer, we're going to jump in and show you 3 ways that you can get rid of and control wasp populations around your property. So everybody knows we've got yellow jackets, bald-faced hornets, a number of these flying insects that always tend to come around when you're eating food or you're out in the yard, and they can sting you, build nests, and be very annoying. If you have a 3D printer or know someone with a 3D printer, you're in luck. We've got 3 different things that you can make that are going to help control it. And the first one is this fake wasp nest. You can see it looks like a real wasp nest, but it's printed out of a 3D printed material. Cost-wise, I believe this runs you right around $5. And the way that it works is you'd use this in early season. The reason we say that is wasps are territorial. So early in the season, the queen will go around, look for a spot to put her pheromones so they can start to build a nest. But they're territorial. So if you get a nest or a few of these nests printed, you can simply run a zip tie or rope or anything, hang them up around the vulnerable areas or areas that wasps would like to nest. Soffits where there's 3 points of contact, trees, umbrellas, anywhere where they're going to be protected from wind and rain. When the queen flies around, it looks like there's already a colony that's established and they continue to move on. April, May, June, this is your best friend. Inexpensive, the more the better. Not 100%, but it definitely works to help prevent wasps. Once we get into the season, and if you're removing nests, the big problem you run into is you're eating outside and they start to swarm. It could be a picnic, it could be dinner, it could be lunch. You could just be out there having a drink and they always fly around and it's annoying. So at this point, if there's no nest that's close by, you want to trap them. We've got 2 different styles we're going to go over. And the first one is this. It's the most basic. It's built that you can either put it on a table or on a surface, and it has these entry points for the wasps to get in. It has a screw top, and you can see the mechanism. The wasps fly in to the entry, up, and then they get stuck inside of here. So you put your bait, and check out our other video. We talk all about how to properly bait a wasp nest. You want protein early in the season, something like hot dog, tuna, or bacon, and then you want something sugary, like a Coke or anything really sweet as a trap to draw them in. They smell it, they go in to get it, and they get stuck. If it was me, I would always put both. I like to put protein and sugar in these traps. Test a bunch of stuff out, check the video out. This is great, good for on the table. It doesn't look bad, it looks pretty nice. Super easy to use. Set it, forget it, open it up, get rid of the wasps, rebait it. So, very good. The third one is your classic hanging wasp nest. This is comparable to the store-bought trap that would look like this. As you can see, it's pretty solid, super reusable, and what I love about this one is it has built-in threads. So you can get any sort of standard thread. You put your bait in the bottom, again, protein and sugar, screw it in. They go in the entry points to get the bait, they get stuck in the bottle. Once it's full, unscrew it, toss it out, reuse it. Extremely easy to use. It's very robust. It also has an already pre-built hook, so you can again use a zip tie, rope, clip, whatever you want, hang them around the yard. This is even less filament to print, so it's even more inexpensive, and it's solid. You can leave them hanging, load up your bait, again, early season protein. Tuna, chicken, bacon, anything like that, and then something sweet. Very sugary, something like a Coke, Freezies, anything very sugary. They're gonna love that. Mix it together, load it up, you're good to go. Dispose of it, replace it, excellent. You can see these are 2 examples of store-bought wasp traps. They work as well, they just may not look as good, and they are generally disposable. They're one-time use, you get rid of them, you put new ones up. Inexpensive, but doesn't look as good. What we love about these 3D printed ones, you can pick the color, you can print a ton of them, use them forever, you will save money in the long run. You can make them look nice, try to build them in so it doesn't look like you have wasp traps out. So if you liked what you saw, we've got our preventative wasp nest, our tabletop trap, and the hanging bottle nest. I'll put the links in the description below for the prints that we used. We would love to see if you test them out. Send us a video, picture, and let us know what you think. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe. Until next time.